Hello, YouTubers. Welcome back to Yorkshire Media. I am Mark, your host, your presenter, whatever you want me to be. And yes, I am cheaper and better than the BBC. I'm the best, without that. You get me for free, of course. So, I've been to Subway and thought I'd do this for next Friday's taste test. So, this will be Saturday night when I've recorded this for next Friday. And I've got a Subway. And I've got steak and cheese with some stuff on it. Yeah, got steak and cheese one. Yeah, it's pretty packed, and I've got some cucumber and things like that. So I thought I'd do a taste test on it. You know, it's only cost us $3.99 because we got them things through door. You know, $3.99 each, so it's not bad. Mm. So this will be another rate my takeaway. I do apologise, I am a messy eater, I can't be helped, I've done it all my life. Can't help the way I eat. That's gorgeous, is that? So basically, we got them coupons fruit there for $3.99, so 2 foot long, so we got 2 foot long tickets at $3.99, so £4 a piece. That come up to say £8 for 2, so it's not bad. It's good value for money. Obviously we don't get a drink with it or all like that. If you do get a foot long sandwich, this is just 1/2 of a foot long basically. This is the other half of the other one. So yeah. I do apologise for my messy eating, but unfortunately, you get. I mean, it is what it is. Sorry, but it is what it is. If you just come home from, if you've been out for a drink and you want something quick to eat, Subway will be your thing. So Subway, I've had them before. I haven't had this one before, but I've had them before. So what do I rate this Subway? Well, for value, £4 each for two foot long subs, because my mate's got one as well and I've got one here. So for 2 of them, $4.99 a piece. Call it $3.99 I should say. $3.99. Call it £8 for 2. You can't grumble at that. So no, you can't grumble at that. So I rate this at number 8. Subway rate my takeaway. I rate this at 8 out of 10 basically. So 8 out of 10. I think that's a good rating. I really do. If you have liked this and you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell icon. That will let you know when I'm putting up another video. Also, this is important, please share the video to your friends and your family and other social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch and Bing. And please use the comment section below and please comment. I do try and answer all comments if I can. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye. Catch you all later.